So here's my new KTM Duke 390. Picked it up from the showroom yesterday. Pretty excited. And she's an awesome bike. Goes really good. And yeah, super stoked about finally getting it after a very long wait. So we'll give her a start up and show you how she sounds. Just the stock exhaust at the moment. I do plan on upgrading it sometime soon, whenever I have the money. So this is it. So there we go, that's her. Hopefully I'll have some more videos up soon. Me giving her a ride, and thanks for watching.